Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
My name is E. Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye. He Pukeko. He Pukeko.
Aye, it's the Pukeko. How many Pukeko are there?
Tahi, rua, toru.
Now, can you count how many legs you see?
Tahi, rua, toru, pa, rima, ono.
Ono. Karawe, excellent, ono. Pukeko like to live close to swamps and ponds, so it's nice that they are visiting us here in the forest. Do you think they'd like to kani dance with us?
Ooh, aye.
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani dance and waiata sing with us?
Me kani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai omoe na e hoa ma. Matike, maranga, me tima tata kite kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whatoro I te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke paku e. Taika o mati no te rawa e. Are whana whiua to I huroa e. Paia! Watutuki I a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa ma? Matike, maranga!
What's that Pukeko has given to you?
Awa!
Tākaro tribe. That's Papa Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what Pukeko gave you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku pakiaka, wakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa!
Did you enjoy dancing with the Pukeko?
Aye!
Oh, I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look, shall we?
Ooh! Yay!
Do you know what it is? It's a kararehe. Animal, isn't it?
Aye! Kararehe, animal.
Look at its long fiore, tail.
Fiore, tail.
The hair on its head and neck is called a hurukaki, a mane. It looks a bit like a hoi-ho, horse, doesn't it?
Hoi-ho, horse.
But it's smaller than a hoi-ho. Do you know what it is? That's right. It's a puni.
Pony! Pony! Yay!
Miharo, amazing. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He wai poro. That's my colour. He whetū wai poro. Kia ora.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. Where do you think the tamariki are going today? Here they are at a stable. It's the puni. It's time to go for a ride. Can you see the tail, fiore, and mane, hurukaki? That looks like fun. Ka kite anō ia koutou.
Pony!
Do you know what this letter is? It's the letter N. It is in the word puni.
N.
Shall we learn how to write the letter N?
I.
N. First, draw a line down the side. Go back to the top and draw a line down to the right. Then straight up again. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down the left side, down to the right, then up the right side. N.
Yay!
Miharo. Amazing. I hear Koka calling you. Time for you all to visit Koka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
What did you learn about today?
Pony!
Puni. Let's learn to spell it.
Or
Do you think we need an O?
I. Cat.
What about K? Do you think we need a K?
Cow. Pet.
Do you think we need a P?
Need a pet. I. E.
Do you think we need an E?
I. There.
Do you think we need a R?
Cow. N.
Do you think we need a N?
I.
Ka rawe. Excellent. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it.
Pony.
What sound does the word begin with?
Huh.
Ka pai. Pa. Now try sounding out the word puni.
Pony. Huh. O. N. E.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
Po. Huh. O. Ni. N. E.
Did you manage to spell the word puni?
Po. Ni. Pony. Pony. Yay!
Tino pai, very good. I knew you could do it.
It's a kararehe animal. It has a long fiore, tail. This is its hurukaki, mane. Poni. It's a puni.
What a fun day, Tagaroa tribe. Time to say goodnight. Po Marie. Good night, Tagaroa tribe.
Pony.
Titiro. Here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tagaroa tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Pony.